Guys, niyazi mesikhuluma ngabantu who do something amazing, and I mean amazing to the community. And nani niyabona when it comes to the numbers ukuthi yanyiwa. Please introduce yourself to our viewers wethu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and what do you do?
Oh yeah, sanibonani. Igama Malungelo waziwa kakhulu ngo Mr Malungelo Seko Music. Ngi-artist, ngi-owner record label and ngiphinde ngibe owner mining company. Ngiphinde ngidlala ibhola ke obvious.
And where is Shem guys in band? Okay, so please tell us about the whole initiative. What motivated you to do the whole thing? It's
been some time since, to be honest with you. I'm celebrity games, as you know, say in history. So this year, let's do it more and more. Sebenzana about Team Express, about Big Zulu, and other guys from Amanyama team. So we need to give back to the community. Singathi sizoba expect ukuthi bazogcwalisa ama venues masizo performer only, and then singakwazi ukuthi thina sibenzele something. So lokho esikwenzayo sithi asibajabulise at zero cost. Sifuna ukuthi sibanikeze nethi babone ukuthi italent akudingi ukuthi uzibe umculi. Ungakwazi ukudlala ibhola, ungadlala i-netball, ungenza this and this and this. And that's what we're doing for them at this stage. Yeah.
So a lot of people since the other time they say attendile, and then there were a lot of questions about Uti. Is it only football orientated, not netball or any other thing? So maybe when we spend
No, we're not only focusing with football. We've been saying, ladies, please come on board. As you can see, hip hop in Ama Ladies Adalaya, we also have one. So it's not about only abafana bazodlala ibhola. No, it's not only about soccer. There's few things as well as Zenzayo. If there is a team netball or a team netball within the industry, it's either from Maskan, Mapiano, wherever, let them talk. It's difficult to let them talk. So even next week is going to tell us something for them. Who knows?
Wake up, guys. Okay, so another thing they asked ukuthi so lento lena idlalwa kungena ama celebrity phela and what not. So yeah, and then we promised them ukuthi sizothola umnikazi, sizothola host, and then uzospendulela yonke le mibuzo yakho.
No, akudlala ama celebrity kuphela. It's a mix. So as you can see, hip hop in ama players and also former players. It's Miami Malungelo FC as well. We also have the same Snama players and also ama former football players, abadala professional. And kuna ama artists as well. Kuna abantu abasebenza ezimayini and whatsoever. It's all about a community. As you can see today, Slapa Ezola too. Siphakamisa Ezola, Spusha Soweto, and the community Soweto share me support ila rona na live. Yabona ukuthi balithanda ibhola. And I made a promise ukuthi if everything goes well, we will come back. Yeah.
Okay. So what is the success story you're trying to build out of the whole initiative?
The main thing is in the healthy and the wellness. As you know, youth to they go into the drugs, benza this and this and this. So we're trying to cut. So guys, you can still live without those things, and you can do better without those things. As you know, good industry, music and stuff. A lot of people, mabakala ba achieve izinto, ba relax, ba gym, benza next, ba gain weight, umta gcina sakula, and we're trying to stop all those things. As you can see, ubonile uScott Maphuma unjani, he's still running. Ubonile abo William, abo Big Zulu, abo Donald, they've been in the industry for some time, and they're still running. So yini ezokwenza ukuthi these new upcoming artists bangakwazi ukwenza lonto leyo. So we want to do it with them, babone from us esibadala sikhona kwi-industry ukuthi yes, nawe ungakwenza lokho, and that's where we are at this stage. And to be honest with you, we got abantu abafana na this guy Sweet Guluva and so on. They came out, but yeah, we want to do it, and they joined us. Badala Nazi, we have my youngsters as well in industry that's out with us, so we appreciate that. So people need to learn from Sweet Guluva, people need to learn from Lindo and whatsoever, and by joining the game now.
No, before we close it off, a few words of encouragement or a vote of thanks.
At first ngizobonga community yaseSoweto basupport kakhulu. We've been doing these things from Western area, Randfontein, Durban, Davidson whatsoever, and we always hope to see more people beza bazo enjoy nathi. And also siphinde sibonge kwi SAPS ne community yalapha eZola 2 bakwazile ukuthi benze sure ukuthi everything yenzeka safe, ba protect ama celebrities wethu, izimoto and whatsoever. I-event ihambe ngendlela ngokuphepha, abadlali badlalisana kahle okwabonisa ukuthi kunomoya omuhle. So siyakubonga lokho, kuyasijabulisa and kusinikeza ukuthi sithi let's do more. So every now and then we get encouraged with guys, Davidson ikwenze kahle. When are we doing the next one? Okay, let's go to Zola 2. When are we moving again? So we're going to Durban. What's his name? Andy Lempesane proposed to go to Durban between Kwamasho or Mlazi. We're going there. I told him, let's move to Durban. Why not? Abantu bayifuna Durban, so we're going there. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. So we're going there, and we want to make sure ukuthi abantu base Durban asibashiyi ngaphandle, base Eastern Cape, abantu base Mafikeng, we still gonna finalize nabantu abafana nabo Casper. We need to go to Mafikeng. We need to go in those Northern Cape and so on. It cannot be only Gauteng ethola these benefits. Even nabantu kwamanye ama provinces, they also need to benefit, because those people ibona abasupport the music weight. So we need to make sure ukuthi nathi there is something esiyenzayo for bona.
No, thank you so much for your time. It's a great initiative, because as you mentioned, ikhipha abantwana from izinto eziningi ezimbi. So yeah, we are inspired, and it's a great job.
No, siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga, and sibonge nani abantu bemedia ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nindlulise this message to the people. So nabantu abangakwazanga ukuthi bafike bakwazi ukuthi babone. So please guys, keep it up. Work on it all the time. Sazi ukuthi sihamba nani ningasali.
Thank you. Sizobe sikhona.
Yes. Sedepends oswima ke. Dlala ibhola ongene elwandle.
Niyazwa ke?
Sekhaya la.
Salad nina ke ngoba ninanifuna ukuza. Hawu.